What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've recorded a video, well, uploaded a video, but thank you all for still being here. My name is Louise and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, or if you aren't new here, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome. So if you know anything about my channel, y'all know that I don't like to do long intros. I just like to hop straight into the video because that's what y'all came here for. So if you are interested in seeing me lighten my hair and then color my hair to be a neon yellow, then stay tuned, y'all. So hopping straight into the video. This is my natural hair color right now. Like, so it's blonde. I got a tail going on. This is what the hair currently looks like, but I'm trying to go for like a highlighter yellow. And so initially I was gonna use Adore colors, but I opted for PRAVANA. So these are the colors that I'm gonna be using in today's tutorial. It's neon yellow and neon green by PRAVANA. I'm also gonna be using Olaplex and TANG's collagen powder. These are both bond builders. These help so that you know, your hair doesn't get damaged in the process because we're lightening it. So I don't know if you guys can see like my roots, but they are dark. Like it's not a lot of root there, but it is some. And because I do have some root, I need to lighten it so that my hair can, you know, appear to be more vibrant than it actually is. I'm gonna go ahead and base my hair just around the perimeter so that I don't get any of the bleaching agent on my skin. Alright, y'all, so the lightener that I'm going to be using is by Redken. It's the Flashlift, and it already has a bond builder inside of it, but because my hair is already blonde and I just want like an extra layer of protection, I'm going to be using the TANG and the Olaplex as well. Now, this is not a step that is mandatory. Honestly, if you're using this, the Redken Flashlift, like I said, it already has bond builder inside of it, so you don't necessarily have to use Olaplex and TANG. Now, you know what? I'm going to use 2 capfuls just to be on the safe side. I'm going to put a capful of this Olaplex, and it's the Olaplex No.1. And then I'm going to use 1 scoop of this collagen powder by TANG. And that's what the scooper looks like. It's just a small scoop. One of those. And honestly, I don't recommend anyone that is not a stylist to do this because putting lightener onto your scalp at this volume developer can really do some damage. But I know, you know, I kind of know what I can take and what I can't take. And so, yeah, I'm gonna use 30. I was gonna use 20, but my roots are like dark. And because they're dark, I don't want my hair to be like an orangish color and then the ends to be white, because 20 takes a little bit longer to actually start working. So the 30 is going to get you there faster. So I'm just going to use about 5 capfuls of this. I don't have anything up here with me, but I really wanted to get this video out, so excuse me for not being as prepared, but your girl hasn't produced content in a very long time, so please bear with me. I'm going to get back on it. And plus, you guys, I finished school. I finished hair school. Like, it was taking up a lot of my time, so now I got time for you guys. All right, y'all, so this is my first time doing this. I'm actually trying to record a TikTok reel and a YouTube video at the same time, so please bear with me, you guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my gloves on just so I can protect my hands, and then I'm gonna comb out my hair just a little bit. Not that I even have a lot of it, but here's what we're working with. I'm gonna comb this out, the coils, if you will. Yeah, I know I have alopecia on this side, but it's not like completely bald. I don't know if y'all can see it, but like there's hair there, but it just grows really fine, and I don't mind it because when I moved here a few years back, I got my hair braided and it's just never been the same since. And so there's that. The back of my hair is really dark, so that's where I'm gonna start at. Alright y'all, so I'm probably gonna leave this on for about 15 to 20 minutes with a actual processing cap on, because again, I'm trying to get those roots as light as possible, as quick as possible. So I'm gonna be just peeking in just to make sure it's not over processing or anything on the anything on that line. But I did go ahead and slather a bunch of bleach onto my actual tail. And when you're bleaching locks, and I just recently learned this, when you're bleaching locks, you don't want to actually like press the bleaching agent inside of the lock, because I mean that aids in like breakage and things like that in the future, because when it's time for you to rinse it out, it's hard to get into there because it's mad at hair. So you just want to like put the bleach on top of the lock, not actually in the lock. Now when it's time to do the color, you want to squeeze a lot, but when you're putting a bleaching agent on it, you just want to really just kind of like touch the surface. So there's like a quick little tip that I've just learned, and I just wanted to share with y'all. So all right y'all, so I'm back, and I actually started coloring my hair and forgot to start the video back. But basically what I did was I took both of these tubes, well almost all of the yellow and just a pinch of the green, and I came up with this like slime green. It's like yellow, but it's like lime. I don't know, it's giving slime. That's what it's giving. So I'm going to start applying it now to my hair. And also after I lightened my hair, what I did was I toned it. I toned it with the purple shampoo that I use, and it's by the brand Fanola. I use that, and I let it sit on my hair for probably like 15 minutes just to kind of get like a little bit of the brassiness out of my hair. Everything. My hair is so porous right now. So I'm back and this is what my hair is looking like. I actually love it. I'm not even gonna tone it. I was gonna go in with the green. And try to take it to like a more greenish slime color, but this is giving what it should be giving. So let me turn around so y'all can see the back. I'm in love with it. I don't have too much hair, but I feel like I have enough to do like a couple of finger waves in here just to spice it up a little bit. So that's what I'm going to do. If you're not new to my channel, then you know this is my holy grail, especially for my colored hair. And then a friend of mine taught me that with this edge control, in order for it not to turn white, you got to actually put water on it.
You better put some water on that shit, boy. All right.
I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Back. I'm back. Are y'all liking it or not? So this is what we're working at. Of course, I still have my little, again, you can see up close that it's like hair there, but yeah, it's still kind of like slimming. But my hair is very, very short. So normally when I finger wave my hair, it's a lot longer than this. So I didn't even know if I could get finger waves with this. So the fact that they're there, I'm happy. But yeah, this is the final result of the color and how it came out. Let me turn for you guys so you all can see the back. The edge control is still kind of wet on some spaces, so it still may look like patchy. But overall, I am in love with the look. It's everything. It's everything for me. The category: face, hair, look, everything. So anyway, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then just let me know that down in the comment section. And if you guys enjoyed watching this video, then let me know that down in the comment section, or by simply just giving me a thumbs up. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.